Hello everyone, in VJ Director, you can record both PGM and also individual channel at the same time. Let's go to AVI file and click the gear button. Browse the directory you want. In this video, I will be using desktop. After that, click OK. Then, go to the channel record and select the directory. So I will be using desktop again. Then click on this angle setting button. We want to record channel 2, so let's select channel 2 and then browse the directory we want. So I will be using desktop. In the encode config, tick enable and select the encoder you want. In VJ Director, it has some built-in encoder for you. After that, tick file, select the format you want, and then click apply. Once you're done, click OK. To record both at the same time, tick the box beside AVI file and also channel record. After that, click on this play button to start. When recording is success, the record button will change to red and also the icon. You can check the status by clicking on this button. As we record channel 2, so select channel 2 to view the status. Click on this stop button to stop both. Let's go to the directory we saved just now, which is desktop. So, as you can see, the BGM record is right here in AVI format. For the channel record is right here. We record all channel because just now we record channel 2. So let's open channel 2 folder. The channel folder name will be based on your channel name and the file is recorded in MP4 format. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.